This tinted lip balm just sold over 100,000 pieces. Yes, mga sis, you heard it right. And on my opinion this might be the best tinted lip balm in the local market. This is the Everbilena Serum Tinted Lip Balm. At nag-release sila ulit ng 5 new shades since a lot of you were asking for more pinks, mauves, and neutral colors. Kaya naman mas marami na kayong shades na pagpipilian. Iswatch natin isa-isa yung bago nilang mga shades. Unahin natin yung darkest shade nila, which is Boysenberry. Akala ko hindi ko magugustuhan yung shade nito, pero ang ganda niya, mga mi. Ayan no, diba? Ang ganda. Pero feeling ko mas babagay ito sa mga morena girls. Since tinted lip balm to, nagiiwan siya ng stain. Ayan no, diba? Ang ganda rin ng stain niya. Next naman is yung lightest shade nila, which is Her. Perfect to pang everyday makeup. Super light lang niya. Grabe, ang lightweight ng lip balm na to, mga sis. Tsaka hindi siya sticky ha. Next naman is si Rosette. Alam nyo mga mi, meron pala tong hyaluronic acid, shea butter, tsaka vitamin E. Kaya moisturizing and hydrating din siya sa lips. Next shade is si Hibiscus. Favorite shade ko to, ang ganda kasi ng color. Ang lakas maka-fresh, diba? Nagmukhang healthy yung lips ko. Last shade is Cherry. Eto, bet na bet ko rin yung shade na to. Lakas maka-Korean, ang ganda no? I super love the formulation. It's true to its claim, it's moisturizing, hydrating, soothing, and weightless. Definitely, this is the best tinted lip balm in the market.